Welcome all to my channel. You have to learn here now Visual Basic. So in Visual Basic, we have to learn what is Visual Basic use meant for. So Visual Basic provide the IDE, Integrated Development Environment, using which you can develop your project, you can develop your application, you can run the application, then you can test the application, then you can find what are the bugs in the application. So Visual Basic is a powerful application development tool. So in simple language we will say you can develop your software using Visual Basic. So there are two words, the visual and basic. Visual means graphical user interface. Okay, it refers to graphical user interface. It contains number of objects using which you can develop most powerful graphical user interface, and it derived from the basic language. Is follow the syntax of the basic language. So what is the full form of basic? Beginner all purpose symbolic instruction code. Your Visual Basic comes in three edition: standard edition, professional edition, and enterprise edition. So I have downloaded enterprise editions from the net. So if you want to start Visual Basic, you have to go for start program, then Microsoft Visual Basic Studio 6.0, then you have to select Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. In short, you just in start button, go to the start button, and immediately you can see in the pop-up menu Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. Now I am going to show you the what is the meaning of a Visual Basic Standard EXE project. So as I told you earlier also, Visual Basic is an integrated development environment which is used to develop, run, test and debug applications. So we use here standard EXE project for the program development. So your standard EXE project, when you are having number of applications, in that I have selected standard EXE project. So what are the different windows this EXE project contain, you should know. First of all, it contain title bar, next it contain menu bar, then it is contain toolbar, then we will get to know what is project window, then form layout window, properties window, and form designer window and immediate window, then toolbox. So we will not make any delay. Let's go and do the how to create the first project in Visual Basic. You should learn. So before going for the Visual Basic programming, better you keep all your project in one folder. That is a good programming practice. So you do right click, new folder. Okay. In that you give some name. Okay, I have given Visual Hello. My folder name is Visual Hello. So I have created on the desktop. Now my Visual Basic is there on the desktop only with my Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. So you double click on it. So it's showing it is an enterprise edition. Okay, so here it is showing you the number of application. In that already default selected standard EXE application. You just open it. Okay, you can see this is the IDE. Total you can see this is your Visual Basic IDE. It contain number of windows. So I'll close all the windows. Then I will open. I can show you each window. Okay, so each now this is your Visual Basic 1 project. Okay, this project is not saved still now. You have to know what are the windows it contain. First, it contain the title bar. You can see top of this title bar, name of the project 1, my Visual Basic. This is the title bar. After that, what is coming? File, edit, view, project, format, debug, run, query, diagram. This is your menu bar which contain number of command which has to be executed on clicking on it. So and your all these commands in iconic form is there down of the menu bar, that is called your toolbar. So title bar, menu bar, below that what is there? That is your toolbar. Next if I want to require other windows, I can go for view. What I want toolbox. It is coming. Then view, I want project explorer, that is called your project window also we can say. You can see So here this is your toolbox, this is your project explorer. Next I can view form layout window. You can see this is your form layout window. Then we require the form designer window. To get the form designer window, no need to go for view, just go to the form. You can see this is a project explorer. Here two things are there. One is called your code view. Okay, view code. Another one is called your view object. Okay, so view object, whenever you are going, you will get your, this is called your form designer window. Okay, after that you can go for view, and you can, another window is called your immediate window. Okay, so it will come down. Anything is there means you can execute immediately. Suppose I will type a equal to 10, then I will type b equal to 20. So I will need to add it. So how you can add? You just write print a plus b. So what answer you are getting? 30. So this is the immediate window which is used as a debugging tool. It will execute the immediate commands. Okay, so now this is your form designer window. You can drag like this, you can make it like this, and here you can see this is your toolbox. I will say this is your toolbox. It contains number of tools on it. Okay, these are the controls. You have to bring it to the form. Okay, so each one is called as control, or each one is called a object. So what are the tools you can see on the toolbox? Each one is called your controls. If I have to bring, so this is your command button, this is your text box. Okay, this is your what label. So many controls are there. If you will click on the controls, no, you require the properties of each object. So how to get the properties window? Go for view. You require which window? Properties window. You can see this is your properties window. Whenever I am selecting any controls, so automatically the corresponding properties window will be displayed on the right hand side. So here button is there. I can go to, these are the properties. The first property of any control is the name. So what is the name? Command. Then next, what is the property? Appearance, background color, caption, okay, font, enable. So many, it is having what? Attributes. Attributes or properties. So each object is some having attributes. So now I can change it also. So if I am writing here, so what is that? Suppose okay. So it is the name of the caption of the command button. Okay, so now let's see how to save the project. Okay, so it is very easy. Go for file, save project, and you have to save in your folder. I have given the, I have my folder is on the desktop. So I have to search for it. So here you have to go. You can go top if you want desktop means. So here desktop is there. So in this desktop, my folder is visual. Okay, visual hello, and I will open it. Okay, so now I am going to save. So first I am saving the form. Form is having extension .frm. Okay, save. After saving, it will ask me to save the project. So you should give some name to the project. So suppose my visual project. Something you can give the name. Okay, so what is the extension of the project file? .vbp. So I am saving. So now I am going to close it. Okay. So now look at here. Whenever you will come next time, do all the program. If you are doing, you do in one project only. All the programs you try to do in one project. Don't open one project again and again. So what you have to do? So where is my folder? Visual hello. Click on it. So you can see there are three things is there. One is my visual project. This is the binary file. Okay. And next one is your .vbp. .vbp it is. So this is your project file. Okay. And this is your form. So which one to open? Always open the .bbp file. Okay, so if I'm right clicking, if I'm going to the properties, okay, you can see what is the extension of the file? Visual Basic Project .bbp. And what is the extension of form? .frm, form name .frm. So if you want to open, how to open? You just click on it. So it is opening, you click on the form 1. So design will come. I don't want all these things. Okay, so we will do one program. Okay, simple program. I will take one command button. Okay, I will take one label. Okay, in the you can see the label. What is the label? Label 1. Correct. So label 1, and what is the caption? Label 1 is there. So here I have typed, suppose, welcome all. So I will do the program video in the next video.